Ergotron WorkFit-TL Honest Review. The smoothest sit-stand ever.
You ever finish an 8-hour day feeling like your spine got folded into origami? I did, until the Ergotron WorkFit-TL showed up and turned my desk into a cheat code. One lift and my lower back actually said thank you. Drop a same in the comments if your chair is currently your enemy. That dull, burning ache between your shoulder blades at 3 p.m., neck stiff, eyes blurry, soul slowly leaking out. You don't need another complicated setup. You need something so stupidly smooth you'll stand up just because you can, without thinking twice. Here's the Ergotron WorkFit-TL, the 37.5-inch dual-monitor beast that actually moves straight up and down like it's on rails. Constant force tech that lifts 40 pounds with one finger. Rock-solid, zero-wobble stability even when you're hammering the keyboard. 15 inches of perfect vertical travel that never swings into your lap. Massive keyboard tray that drops exactly 4.5 inches below for perfect ergo. Fully assembled out of the box, no Allen keys, no tears, cable management that actually works, and a 5-year warranty that dares you to break it. Real story? Sarah, a graphic designer, was 45 minutes from missing a client presentation because her back seized up mid-render. Stood up with the WorkFit-TL, blood flowing, finished the deck standing, delivered early, got a raise. She still texts me photos of her standing at 9 p.m. like it's normal. That freedom? It's waiting on your desk.
People are low-key addicted because their backs stopped screaming. Ergonomists call it the most stable converter they've ever tested. Companies are buying fleets because employees actually use it all day. Designers keep posting, "I forgot I had back pain" updates, and thousands of work-from-home warriors swear they type harder just to feel how little it moves. One reviewer said, "I loaded 38 pounds and typed like I was mad at the keyboard, barely a tremor. Most converters would be doing the Harlem Shake." A 200K sub creator told me he stands 6+ hours now. "My cheap riser made me hate standing. This one made me forget sitting exists." A verified user wrote, "Day 14, zero pain, energy through the roof, sold my office chair." Still worried it's too big? It fits the exact footprint of your current mess. See why grown adults are standing and smiling at their desks? Tell me, how many hours are you chained to your chair right now?
Tens of thousands of designers, coders, traders, and regular humans have already made the Ergotron WorkFit-TL their daily back saver. Because nothing else gives you this smooth, stable, zero-effort sit-stand life without turning your desk into a science project. If you're ready to work without your body hating you by 4 p.m., come join us. Link in the description. These disappear the second they're back in stock. Your spine is literally begging you. Go make the switch.